You ready? See if it's like I remember it. It's probably too thick. Let me get something a little. This isn't gonna work. It's just we need something less.
3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron. 3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron in a shower of sparks.
You remember using that thing to bang?
And fire.
Yeah.
You may have seen rollers, you may have seen a press, but you have never seen a hammer like this. I swing it all day at the rolling hill. It takes a mighty hammer to straighten the rail.
Oh, there's cookies.
3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron. 3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron in a shower of sparks, swimming in fire.
There's parts missing, but we're gonna figure out how to get it working.
It takes 2 of us to lift one rail over 400 pounds. We can do it well. We know we're being watched. We take pride in our work. I can show them all what an Iron Man is worth. 3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron. 3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron in a shower of sparks, swimming in fire. There's puddlers, there's helpers, there's others on the shears. There's no such thing as an easy job here. Well, I found my place in this rolling mill, swinging my hammer on these T-rails. 3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron. 3 pounds of wood, 80 pounds of iron in a shower of sparks, swimming in fire.
Semi-functional.
There was a back bench.